The week ahead, German federal elections, German CPI, will these reshape the markets for the Eurozone? Will this turn the tables for the Euro? Hello there and welcome back to the Pipsoclock weekly news preview for the last week of February 24th, let's say 23rd to the 28th, because we'll be covering from Sunday. Because on Sunday, the 23rd of February, I'm recording this on Saturday, 22nd. On Sunday, all day, there will be German elections, federal elections, and talking about the elections, these German elections has the potential to shift things for the euro, right? Depending on who wins and the coalitions. All right, I will recommend you check fxstreet.com and read the information there because the results will likely impact the price of euro this coming week. And peradventure, the elections do not move the markets as expected, then for the German CPI, there might be hopes there. All right. In the past week, we saw what happened, and Euro USD, which are the one of the instruments that we analyze technically, really didn't continue on the bull run. All right, there was a halt, and the question this week is: will it resume or will it reverse? All right, so let's head on to this. Okay, so on Sunday, like you've seen it there already on the screen in the economic calendar from forexfactory.com, you have the German federal elections all day, 9:45 p.m. You have the New Zealand retail sales quarter on quarter. Of course, the market will be opening around this time already. Then on Monday, all day, you have bank holiday for Japan. Then the at 9 a.m., this is another important key indicator for the Eurozone, the German IFO business climate. The numbers are there already. The forecast is 85.9%, while the previous number is 85.1%. And if the outcome is higher than the forecast, of course, that will be good for the euro, and you'll be expecting to buy euro USD depending on how the market really interprets it. Then on Tuesday, you have the the CB consumer confidence from the US at 3 p.m. At the same time, you have the Richmond manufacturing index. Then I think that will be all for Tuesday. You can check to trade the numbers if you wish to. But then on Wednesday, 26th February, Australian CPI more year on year will be released. Forecast there is 2.6% against the previous 2.5%. All right, then of course the all G20 meetings will be happening. The G20 meetings will be happening all day on Wednesday. On Thursday at 8 a.m., you have the quarter on quarter GDP for the Switzerland. That's for the CHF. All right, and then the Euro Spanish flash CPI, and this may not really make much impact, but then pay attention to it, is medium impact. Okay, then at 1:30 p.m., we'll be heading over to the US for the USD prelim GDP quarter on quarter and the unemployment claims. And then core durable goods orders month on month and core durable goods prelim GDP price index quarter on quarter all will be coming out at the same time at 1:30 p.m. So it will be a plethora of events coming out, and you watch out for some price volatility on the US dollar pairs, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, USD CHF, and so on. And then pending home sales is out at 3 p.m. Pending home sales at 3 p.m. Then the G20 meetings continue on the 2, all right. And on Friday, you'll be having, well, no specific time yet for it. That's the German prelim CPI. As a matter of fact, in the introduction, I mentioned that if the German elections do not really have much impact on the euro this week, this coming week, then attention will shift to the German prelim CPI month on month. So you watch out for the numbers there. Forecast is 0.4% and it's a wide gap from the previous minus 0.2%. At 1:30 p.m., you have the Canadian GDP month on month. Forecast is 0.3% and against minus 0.2%. The gap is wide also. The USD core PCE price index month on month, forecast 0.3%, previous 0.2%. And I think finally you have at 2:45 p.m. the Chicago PMI is a medium impact event. It could drive the market still. These are where you can begin to see prices being pulled. But then who will trade at 1:30 a.m. on Saturday morning? The markets are closed already, so but you'll be having the Chinese manufacturing PMI. This is a kind of event that you may want to postpone till the following week. But whatever it is, just watch out. Now, before we wrap this up, I want to quickly take you to FX Street and want to quickly take some information concerning the coming German elections. Will German elections change the outlook much? There's something I want you to pick out from here on forexfactory.com. So I mean on fxtrade.com rather. So I give credit to them here. All right. So you'll be looking at the incumbent versus the rest and look at what the polls may eventually mean for the euro. All right. Let's see what that could mean for the euro. All right. Now I think that if you come down towards this, okay, now look at, nevertheless, if on Monday morning the election results point to a CDU, CSU, and SDP coalition, the euro could enjoy a modest rally. And if the coming days, and in the coming, if in the coming days rather, um, the party leaders decide to prioritize reforming the debt brake, there could be further gains for the single currency. So take note of that piece of information. All right. Okay. So from all of us at the Pipsoclock desk here, we want to wish you a very fantastically profitable trading week with green pips. All right. See you in our next analysis. Thank you and God bless you.